Hello everybody, my name is Evelyn Cardona. I belong to course 562. I am 19 years old. I currently study psychologist at UNAD. I'm going to travel to England. I'm going to visit London, Manchester, and Liverpool. I'm going to stay in a hotel. How will I go in summer? I'm going to wear summer dresses and comfortable clothes to walk through the streets of London. For this trip, I'm going to invite my best friend Paola. We are fans of Sherlock series, so we will visit some of the places where certain scenes were filmed. I don't know exactly how much money. I will bring some souvenirs from my vacations. Thank you guys.